A key Bitcoin battleground forms the backdrop for the end of the month amid a warning that BTC price action doesn't feel bullish. Bitcoin, BTC, faced a showdown with a key trend line on February 28 as the monthly close finally arrived. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC, USD circling an area around $23,500 at the Wall Street Open, with United States stocks flat and the US dollar avoiding a return to strength. Eyes were on Bitcoin to preserve its gains through last-minute volatility. Would like to see more Bitcoin bid liquidity enter the active trading range to increase the chances of closing the monthly candle above the 50-month moving average, monitoring resource material indicators wrote in one of several Twitter posts on the day. Volume has been weak, so at this stage doesn't feel bullish. An accompanying chart showed BTC USD bid and ask levels on the Binance order book. Material indicators noted that the month of March held a key macroeconomic event in the form of the Federal Reserve's next decision on interest rate hikes. This was due on March 22 courtesy of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC. Close above the 50-month MA equals bullish, close below $23,128 equals red, and an invitation to retest key support levels, part of another post continued. Close between the 50-month MA, $23,128 equals green monthly close, and range to the next rate hike around the March 22 FOMC meeting. Scott Melker, the trader and podcast host known as the Wolf of All Streets, meanwhile demanded more of spot price, calling the area immediately above no man's land. Bullish breaker, red zone, holding as support at the moment. Still in no man's land between $21,473 and $25,212, he commented on a chart showing target levels. A lack of direction in the US dollar meanwhile removed a potential headache for risk asset bulls on the day. The US dollar index, DXY, spiked to multi-day lows as it failed to mount a comeback after giving up gains from the week prior. On US equities, the S&P 500 traded down 0.2% at the time of writing, while the Nasdaq Composite Index was stationary on the day. The views, thoughts and opinions expressed here are the author's alone and do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions of Cointelegraph.